So today we're discussing a very awesome part of a human body that is called as human eye. This human eye is a very amazing organ of a human body. The front part of your eye is cornea, which is called as the entrance of your eye through which the light travels and causes sensation to your brain. When you dissect the eye into two parts, what are the things available inside this eye? There is certain liquid which helps the eye to be in a spherical shape. Like a balloon, air is present inside to be in a spherical shape here. So now this liquid is said to be aqueous humor, and this jelly shaped structure is called as vitreous humor. I think you are able to see the lens of your eye. This is called as self-adjustable lens here. And what are the black spots you are going to see? These are the cells which will send the electrical signals to your brain. It's very amazing thing about this lens we are going to discuss now. If you see the next part of your eye, which is said to be the screen of your eye, which is called as retina. Light travels through cornea and falls on this retina, which causes sensation to your brain. So it's a very amazing thing we are discussing today. When you keep a book very close, you are not able to see the proper image. You are seeing the blurred image. But when you keep your eye exactly at 25 centimeters, you are going to see a very clear image. That means it is called as a least distance of distinct vision for a healthy eye, normal eye, which is said to be 25 centimeters. If you want to see far objects, you can see up to infinity. So normal human being is having a range from 25 centimeters to infinity. It's a very amazing thing here. So now this is a lens which is self-adjustable. If you want to see closer objects, it becomes thicker. If you want to see far objects, it becomes thinner. So this is called as self-adjustable lens here. If you want to see very close objects, then the automatical lens becomes thicker, and that is called as near point. When you want to see far objects, the lens becomes thinner, and that is going to be the far point here. Thank you very much.